Okay, we're going to start rigging our model of Steve now. And let me push the 1 key to get it directly in front view. And so what we'll do here is we're in modeling mode. We're going to go ahead and add an armature. Okay, and let's go ahead and click into wireframe mode so we could see through our Steve model. And what we're going to do is we're going to move this bone down into place for his head. So we're going to push G, and then we're going to move him along the Z axis, and we're going to go ahead and just move the bone down there, and we could scale it by pushing S and then Z to shrink it down like so, and there we have our bone for his head. Okay, so let's quickly just go back into, well, we're in wireframe mode, and what we could do now is we can, in object mode still, we'll select his head first, hold shift, and then select the bone. And we could push control P to get to parent. And we're going to go control P again. And we're going to go ahead and say we could parent it to object. Let's try parenting it to the bone. Let's see what happens there. Okay, and so now that we've done that, we can go into pose mode, select the bone, and let's just for fun go back into textured mode. And if we push R for rotate, you can see now that the head rotates with the bone. Okay, I'm going to right click to undo that. And from the side view, I could push R and then the X button so it only rotates on the X axis. Okay, so let me right click and do that from the side. So go R and then X, and he could only say yes. Okay, if I want him to say no, I would use the Z axis, so I'd say RZ. Okay? Now for the arms, let's just go ahead and do the same thing. So push the 1 key. Okay, I'm going to get back into wireframe mode, make sure we're in object mode, and then I'm going to deselect everything and then go add armature. And I'm going to push GX to move it this way. Okay, and then I'm going to push GZ to move it down here. And then I actually want to rotate this thing 180 degrees. So I'm going to say R, and then we're going to rotate on the Y axis, holding control so it snaps. And we can get it directly straight down. Okay, so now that we have that object, we're going to select the arm, and then hold shift and select the armature there, and control P. Let's parent it to the bone. Okay, let's select only the bone, go into pose mode, and then let's see what happens. We've got the arm rotating. Okay, just for fear of this video glitching out, because for some reason this recorder, when I make the videos too long, they freeze up. I'm going to pause this video and then I'll make another one for rigging the rest of the body. Okay, have fun rigging the head and the arm.